Hey guys, it's Mitchell here. I got a big surprise for you. Oh, you got a little glimpse of it. Ho 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 ho. Look at this thing. You bet. It's a Husky 60-inch. It's the deepest one they make. It's 24 inches deep. Got the power outlets on the side. Thing is awesome. I just got it a few days ago. It's not completely full yet, but it's coming. I got the keys right there. Got a little Craftsman sign. A little drag steer. You know, it's like a personal spot. Windex for cleaning the box, flashlight, my radio, some stuff on top of it. Got my Milwaukee batteries, my Milwaukee charger, some tape measures, and my strip there. It's got this pegboard, which is pretty badass. I'll get into the first drawer. Oh yeah, I also stuck a light under there, so it looks a lot better. Socket drawer. Got my DeWalt socket set with some extra sockets, some adapters, and some spark plug sockets. A 1/2-inch drive set, Torx bit, more 1/2-inch drive, 3/8, ratchets, breaker bars, electronics, and knife, and some extra nuts and bolts and stuff. Soft close, pretty nice. Wrench drawer. Got some stubbies, metric and standard, gear wrench, standard metric, pipe wrench, adjustable. Oh, that soft close is nice. Screwdriver drawer, a couple pry bars, some picks, some micro screwdrivers, some different types of screwdrivers, prying screwdrivers. That's a Torx bit screwdriver. Picks, Cornwall set of screwdrivers with the stubbies, a little old stubby, my Cobalt set. And I got hammers and vice grips and some punches and chisels. Oh, and then that one and that one isn't full. That one and that one. Well, these two and these two have nothing in them. And then, oh, wrong drawer. Looking through the camera. I got a Milwaukee drill, my Milwaukee 3/8 impact, 1/2-inch drive air impact, a couple blowguns, air chuck, and extra fitting. Pliers, you know, stuff. And then I've got this got this cupboard, or this drawer thing here. Got drill bits, big wrenches, battery charger, and the case for my Milwaukee drill. It's pretty nice. But yeah, that's all I wanted to show you guys. It's pretty nice. 60 inches. I'm barely getting in the frame. I have to step all the way back. Isn't that neat though? I love it. Holds everything. Yeah. So, we'll see you next time, guys. Yep, bye.